What's the crack? I've just got the new DJI Pocket 4 and I've been craving a micro adventure. I'm gonna get to it because I'll end up getting busy with work and I won't get to do it. So I'm just gonna go. I'm here at Inch Beach and it's class. You can park up on the actual beach, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna give this surfing a go. I don't even know if I know how to surf anymore, really. So hopefully it goes well. I have no clue if I'm doing this right, by the way. I suppose as long as it's nice and sticky, it gives me grip. It's my first time wearing this wetsuit today, so hopefully it goes well anyway. Holy dang, definitely a sport that humbles you, for sure. Definitely going to need a lot more lessons, and I look forward to the summer doing it, for sure. There is literally lads drifting all over in their BioRacer cars, just doing donuts and shit. Yeah, I'm glad now to be just getting out really on a micro adventure, because I feel like in the past that I've always waited around for people to do stuff, and I don't really want to do that anymore, like, because I've loads of adventures planned in the summer, so why wait, you know? I like my own company, I like what I do. Yeah, no more waiting. If I have company, great. If I don't, then it doesn't really bother me. I like my own company, so yeah. So the next thing that I'd like to do today is to get some pie, like a banoffee pie or lemon meringue pie. I don't know where I'm going to get that, but hopefully I can. Got my cake. Not only did I get lemon meringue, I also got banoffee tartlets. After I came back from the shop, I couldn't find this little microphone on me, and I was like, oh no, I left it at the Super Value. And then I was like, if I go back, I'm gonna miss the sunset. And I was looking and looking everywhere, and it was just drama. And then just as I was like about to turn back, I looked at my keys to turn on the van. It was stuck to the magnet of the keys, and I fucking like, I kissed it because I was like, oh, I get to go and watch the sunset. Oh yeah, that's everything I dreamed of. I consider that a successful day. That was the highlight. Yeah, I call that a success.